Fine. So my presentation is about using mind maps. You know, mind map is really a wonderful tool for teachers, and we can do mind maps both manually and using online tools. So I have prepared a kind of set of presentation slides. We can go through them and let us start. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, fine. So it's actually mind map. So I'd like to start my session with an activity. You can type on the chat box about this issue. So you don't have to do it. I mean, we can just go on and presenting. Otherwise, we will miss the time. So this is an activity for the participants to type in their opinion, and in turn, I will be copying all the opinion, and in turn, it will become a mind map. This is my target. This is my intention. So okay. So once all the participants type down their opinions, I can post it in the different boxes, and in the end, it will become a sample mind map. Okay, fine. Let's go to this. So this is a typical mind map. How does it look like with all the structures? We know mind map is not at all a new term. It's actually, we use it. But the thing is that even though it is very simple, we don't use it that much. We know it, but we ignore it. So this is highly potential tool for all the teachers to make use of. And once we start using it, we'll find really useful. So every mind map has got a main topic in the middle, and this is what we call the main node, key node. And all the key node is connected with all the sub nodes. So these are the other topics, the main topics other than the key node. So these main topics are connected to this key node. Okay, and again, these key nodes are again subdivided into subtopics. So let's see how it happens. I have prepared a very short mind map. You see, this is how we do it. Mind maps as a technique, we can see all this. So this is the mind map is the key node. It's one node is technique, and as a technique, learners can do all these things. Learners can think. Learners can explore. They organize their information. These are the things associated with learners and teachers. Teachers can use it as presentation for warming up activity, curriculum overview, everything. And so these are the different branches. So I hope you got an idea about what a mind map look like.
Yes.
Is that okay with you?
Yeah. It's good. It's very good. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I think the
This is complex.
This is complex, but still, I thought it would be interesting if you could notice the complexity and image it brings, the kind of creativity that the mind map brings along with it. So students would like to do all these activities because their notebooks should not look like boring text or collection of text. But when they use all these things, their creativity will come out. So they will definitely enjoy doing these things. Okay, can I check whether the recording is on? 1 second. Okay, the recording is on. I hope the recording is on. Can you notice it?
Yeah, it is on. It's showing. Yeah, it's showing it is on.
Fine,
Yes.
fine, okay then. Okay. Shall we go ahead? Okay, the next mind map. Why mind map? Why do we need mind map? What is the purpose of using mind map? Let's see what is it. So we know the noted saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So instead of using the boring text and all these passages, we can intermittently or occasionally we can use these techniques. And when we use these things, so this minimalism, kind of minimalism, we can use less words and it denotes so much. So this is the main idea behind it. And let's see what happens. Students take better notes. They improve their comprehension, they foster creativity, all these things we have already discussed. These are the benefits that the students can get when they use mind maps. How to do one? So how do we make a mind map? So we can do it manually in the notebook. We can take down notes and create mind maps in notebook. And the other possibility is creating with online tools. Since we are all doing online courses and in sharing documents, it is always important for us to do it online with online tools. So this is an important area for us to focus on. How do we make online mind maps? Let's see how do we do it. So it's really easy. You just go to Google Drive, just go to Google Drive. And when you go to Google Drive, you can see this new icon. Can you see that? Can you see my screen? My,
Yes, yes.
okay,
We,
fine.
yeah,
So
I
we
can
have
see.
to click this new button. And once you click this new button, we can find this more button icon. Can you see that more? I think you are familiar
Yes.
with it. Okay. And when you click more button, we have the thing like more Google Forms and all these things. And further below, we can see connect more apps. And if you click connect more apps, you'll be taken to a new page where you can search the mind map tools. So what I'm going to tell you is an application that is available on Google Drive. So Google Drive offers mind mapping tools. So when you click connect more apps, it will take you to a search page where you can search for mind map applications available on Google Drive. So I have already downloaded it, added to my Google Drive, and let me show you this. MindMap 2.0. So this is the mind map application that I found useful for me. So anybody can do this. So you'll be taken to a particular page where you can do mind maps of your own. Okay, you can click different links here. We can, first of all, we have to select a file, and we are going to open a new standard map. And this is the keyword, the key node. We can type in the key node here. Okay, we can type something there, whatever is it. And when you click tab, you get a child node. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, so you just type again something into it. For example, suppose we are talking about COVID-19, and we can type one precautions. So precautions again can be subdivided into what we should do: wearing mask, keeping social distancing, all these things. And again, we need one more branch, and in this branch we can type symptoms. Okay, symptoms. And if you want to add further nodes to this, you just click the particular node and again click tab. So we get more nodes. And if you're clicking
Okay.
from the tab, for example, if you click enter from the node, you will get a, 1 minute. So for example, we are clicking from this node. If you type enter, we'll get child nodes. So these two nodes are child nodes, siblings, okay, siblings of this mother node. Okay, so these are technical things that we can understand. Okay, fine. And once you make use of these things, in the end, you can come out with a wonderful mind map. So we can keep on expanding it. We can keep on expanding it again. So it depends. So actually, mind map represents the mental image, the mental picture, kind of thinking process. The thinking process is mapped in a paper or on a screen. And when this happens, so the readers would get less burden. So actually we write essays and passages in the linear process. So one paragraph comes, or one idea comes after another, or things like that. But in a mind map, things do not come in the linear fashion. So ideas are shown as they appear, as they come out in the mind. So the thinking process is exactly copied. So I hope you got some idea of mind map. And if you need any clarifications, please, you can please ask me. One more thing to
Yeah.
complete. One second. Let me complete it. Then you can ask. So after doing this, so we have just drawn a very simple map. So after doing this, we can go to file. That file menu again. File. Download it. We are going to download it. Download it as image JPG. Okay, JPG is good for us. And export it. And once we export it, 1 second, we have to wait. And once we export it, download it. Okay. So this is the map we did. So we did a very simple one. This is the main. So if you do it, if you come out with a complicated map, you get a beautiful map, mind map. And this can be saved on the desktop and later can be uploaded onto Moodle courses. So please, any doubts, any issues you found, or is it clear? Is it clear with you?
Yeah,
It's very
it's very good, Abdul. Very nice,
Thank you.
and
Thank
very
you.
nice presentation, and it's very useful tool,
Yeah.
mind mapping.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mm.
yeah,
Or,
it's definitely beautiful. I agree. It's awesome. I would definitely try it. It's so nice.
okay.
I've never used this before.
Thank. Thank
Yeah,
you.
good, wonderful presentation.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. So let